Sake Journey with KIKIZAKE-SHI.
Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you practical and easy ways to enjoy sake, temperature, glassware, food pairing, and how to choose your first bottle. Let's begin. Temperature. Sake can be enjoyed at different temperatures: cold, room temperature, and warm. Each temperature brings out a unique aroma and flavor profile, which is one of the most fascinating features of sake. Temperature examples: cold sake tastes fruity, crisp, and refreshing, especially for modern styles like ginjo. Room temperature sake is well balanced and highlights natural umami. Warm sake becomes softer and richer with a rounder mouthfeel. If you are new to sake, try comparing two temperatures. The difference is easy to notice. Glass selection. A wine glass works surprisingly well for most styles because it captures aroma beautifully. For richer and umami-driven sake such as junmai, a whiskey tumbler is a great match. And if you enjoy fruity ginjo, a brandy glass can enhance the aroma even more. You don't need special equipment. Just use a glass you already have at home. First bottle advice. If you like fruity and modern styles, start with ginjo. If you prefer traditional flavor and good food pairing, junmai is the safest choice. And if you want something fun and approachable, sparkling sake is a great option. We'll explore this in more detail in Sake Basic number 5. First bottle advice. If you like fruity and modern styles, start with ginjo. If you prefer traditional flavor and good food pairing, junmai is the safest choice. And if you want something fun and approachable, sparkling sake is a great option. We'll explore this in more detail in Sake Basic number 5. Now you know the essentials of how to enjoy sake: temperature, glassware, pairing, and choosing your first style. In the next video, we'll explore how sake is made, the unique brewing process behind every bottle. See you in Sake Basic number 3. Bye.